Meet Alex. It's Monday morning, and he's about to interview for his dream job at a tech startup. He's prepared, confident, and ready to impress, but he has no idea about the small English mistakes that are about to sabotage everything. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what he should have said. Here's what Alex actually said. I'm boring at my last job, so I want something more challenging. Ouch. He just told the interviewer he's a boring person. What he meant to say was, I was bored at my last job. This tiny mistake changes everything. Boring describes you. Bored describes how you feel. Boring equals not interesting. Bored equals you're not interested in something. Fast forward 2 minutes. The interviewer asks about his experience. Alex says, actually, I have 3 years experience. Actually, I worked with React. Actually, I learned from online courses. See what's happening? Every sentence starts with actually. Native speakers notice this immediately. It sounds defensive and repetitive. Use it once if you're correcting something. Otherwise, it becomes verbal wallpaper. Better options? Just start with your answer. Or use, well, in fact, to be honest, or, what I mean is. But not actually. Actually. Alex continues. I'm interested to learn new technologies. Wrong. It's interested in something, not interested to do something. Here's why this matters. In plus noun or gerund. Verb ing form. So, I'm interested in machine learning, I'm interested in learning new skills, I'm interested in your company. But here's the twist. You can say, I want to learn, or, I would like to learn. Don't mix them up. This is where B1 learners crash and burn. Later, Alex says, I have experience in web development 3 years. Wrong word order. In English, we say how long first. Then what? I have 3 years of experience in web development. Or even simpler, I have been working with web development for 3 years. Notice the pattern? Time expressions usually come last in the sentence. But when talking about duration, time comes early. Alex just made it sound like his experience only lasted during the conversation. This mistake is so common among intermediate learners, and native speakers notice it immediately. So here's what the perfect answer would have sounded like. I was bored in my last role. Honestly, I'm interested in working with React and machine learning. I have 3 years of experience with full stack development. I'd love to bring that expertise to your team. See the difference? No, actually, correct prepositions. Clear time expressions. And guess what? The interviewer's face changes from confused to impressed. Alex gets the job. The moral? These aren't just grammar rules. They're the difference between sounding like a textbook and sounding like a real professional. Want to master B1 English? Stop making these 4 mistakes right now.